Hey everybody. Obviously this is Mr. Pappas speaking to you from my front porch, and it's a beautiful day before we start our spring break, and I just wanted to check in with you guys a little bit. Um, I mentioned this on the video call that we had the other day, but I wanted to mention that when we get back from spring break, the rhythm of the class is going to be reading. There will be writing, so there'll be some. We'll continue to do some extended readings like we did with the Peter Singer article or book that you guys read, and we'll do some extended reading. We will do some discussion groups visually, on video like we attempted to do the other day. We will also do some kind of comment, like online chats, probably through Haiku. So, and then there will be a paper or two actually that you'll be writing. I just want you to know that the rhythm of the class, there's going to be a lot of individual work, reading, writing, but there will be a decent amount of interaction each day, where you'll be expected to log on and post some comments, post some thoughts, interact with other people, and that's how we're going to kind of finish out the semester, at least until early May. And the other thing I wanted to say is that if there's anything that you want to talk about, if there's anything that you're having trouble processing, whether it's related to our class or not, use my office hours. But if you think it's something that's more, you know, kind of one-on-one, because office hours on video is kind of strange with everybody being there. We can set up a video call, kind of a one-on-one appointment, and talk through whatever it is that you need to talk through. I'm available for that sort of thing. Um, I think that's it. The other thing I just wanted to say is that I miss you guys and I hope you're well. This is a really unprecedented time, as you know. I mean, like we've never gone through this before in my lifetime. So, any frustration you're feeling, any like questions or anxieties, they're all normal and understood. They're all under, it's fair to feel anxious, and it's fair to feel frustrated about the way that things have gone, especially with school being online like this. And so, if there's like tips you have, if there's feedback, give it to us as teachers. Send Mr. Gilchrist an email, and give feedback, because we're learning as we're going, and Heron is doing well in comparison to many other schools as far as what we're trying to produce provide for you guys. But we've never done this before long term. Nobody has, and so the only people that are set up for online learning are online schools. Um, but online schools don't have the same kind of you know personal connection that you guys have with your teachers. So there's a lot of things that we're still, we're learning and growing as teachers and administrators as well. So keep that stuff in mind. All right. Well, enjoy your day. All right. Get outside. Enjoy as much as you can of your life. Don't stay cooped up in your house all day. That's going to make you insane. So try to get outside and have some fun and reach out and let me know how you're doing. Okay. Miss you guys. Thanks.